Supply of energy efficient lighting is a growing industry. Tapping into different government schemes can help turbocharge your business, but it's important to understand how those schemes work and how to benefit from them before you get started.
LED lighting upgrades can be a profitable investment. They consume up to 90% less electricity and last up to 5 times longer than traditional lighting. Here at Enlighten, we get a lot of questions from customers about how to access rebates and incentives and the financials of this process.
In New South Wales, the Energy Savings Scheme gets you money back for using less electricity. For every megawatt hour of electricity saved, you can create an energy saving certificate. Being Australian, we often shorten this to ESCIs. In Victoria, the certificates are called Victorian Energy Efficiency Certificates, or VEECs.
Tonight we're installing the Chameleon multifunction light for this underground car park. The lights switch automatically between standby and full power when it senses someone enter. On standby, they only use 7 watts, which is equivalent to a clock radio. It's ideal for fire stairs, car parks and back of house areas. When the LED light is on full, it uses about 30 watts. Together, with automatic controls, it saves a lot compared to those old fluorescents.
LEDs are a popular activity for certificate generation, but you can theoretically create certificates for any activity that reduces electricity use. For lighting, there's 3 P's to creating certificates. There's products, paperwork and payment. So all LED products need to first be approved by the state regulator. The approval process relies on various test reports and certificates to show that the product is safe and fit for use. Demand Manager has an approved products list which saves a lot of time and effort. For example, we have 31 models of the Chameleon light which are already approved. Demand Manager also can work with you through approvals for new products. When creating paperwork for ESCIs, make sure everyone knows their role and who's collecting what. You want to be prepared and avoid going to site multiple times or badgering customers for the same piece of paper in 3 different formats. It's frustrating and it can end up costing money. Some of the items are standard records generated by a lighting retailer like Enlighten, like tax invoices or a scope of works. Other items may need to be completed by the lighting installer, like lux level measurements, site plans and before and after photos. Demand Manager offers a more hands-on level of assistance for those new to the process, and standard services for those that have more experience with the scheme.
The money can flow to the end customer directly, or it can be paid to the lighting installer, who offers it as an upfront discount. The rebate effectively reduces the cost of the project.
Certificate prices change like the share market, so it's important to think about who bears the risk in any project. Demand Manager can help manage risk by locking in forward contracts, especially for larger projects. We aim to turn around payment for project within 28 days of the full documentation being approved.
In the next decade, as hundreds of billions of light globes will be switched over to LED versions, the opportunity is huge. It's really a case of reaping the rewards and getting the best benefits.